On every exam, you need to know where does the new group go for EAS reactions. 2 rules and 1 exception. If the group donates electron density, like NH2, OH, or OR, it activates the ring and directs the next group ortho or para. If it withdraws electron density, like NO2, cyanide, or carboxylic acid, it deactivates the ring and directs meta. Halogens are the exception. They pull electron density through the sigma bond, but they can still donate by resonance, so they're deactivators that direct ortho-para. Quick check: donor on the ring, ortho-para. Withdrawer, meta. Halogen, still ortho-para. That's the whole pattern. Donors give you ortho-para, withdrawals give you meta, and halogens still go ortho-para anyway. Practice EAS directors at orgosolver.com.